know the secrets to make her think about you constantly and crave your presence? Stick around, and I'll show you how to make her completely obsessed with you. 7 dark psychology tricks to make her obsessed with you and addicted to your presence. 1. Intermittent reinforcement. Give her attention and affection inconsistently. Sometimes be very attentive and caring, and other times pull back slightly. This unpredictability creates a psychological craving, making her more focused on when she'll get your attention next, which can lead to obsession. 2. The roller coaster of emotions. Create emotional ups and downs in your interactions. Share exciting and happy moments, but occasionally introduce small conflicts or challenges. The emotional volatility makes the relationship feel more intense, causing her to become emotionally dependent on you. 3. The power of exclusivity. Make her feel like she has access to a special side of you that no one else does. Share secrets, inside jokes, or experiences that are unique to your relationship. This sense of exclusivity can make her feel special and more deeply connected to you, fostering obsession. 4. The withdrawal method. After an intense or deeply emotional interaction, take a step back. Be less available or responsive for a short period. This creates a void, making her crave your presence even more. When you re-engage, her emotional attachment to you will be even stronger. 5. Creating dependency. Subtly make her rely on you for emotional support, advice, or validation. Be the person she turns to when she's happy, sad, or needs guidance. Over time, this dependence will grow, making her feel like she needs you in her life, leading to an obsession. 6. Subtle jealousy triggers. Casually mention other women in a non-threatening way or be slightly vague about your plans. This can trigger a mild sense of jealousy, making her more focused on you and anxious about losing your attention, which can heighten her obsession with you. 7. The emotional anchor. Create powerful and memorable experiences with her, whether positive or negative. These experiences serve as emotional anchors, making her think about you often. The more emotional memories you create together, the more likely she will become obsessed with you. Remember, these techniques should be used responsibly and with care. The goal is to build a meaningful connection, not manipulate someone's feelings for selfish gain. If you find yourself in a relationship built on trust and mutual respect, these insights can enhance the bond you share. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more content. Until next time, take care and use what you've learned wisely.